Is your partner snoring keeping you up at night? Have you tried breathing strips or sprays, but still can't stop the snoring? Then you need the Snoreben. The Snoreben is a reusable nasal insert, specially designed to help you breathe better during sleep. The Snoreben works by opening your nasal passages, letting you breathe through your nose instead of your mouth, preventing you from snoring. With the Snoreben, you'll get the rest you need and wake up feeling refreshed and invigorated. The Snoreben is also an effective solution for sleep apnea, dry mouth, airway obstructions, and nasal congestion due to colds and allergies.
My husband's snoring used to keep me up at night, but since he started using Snoreben, the snoring has stopped and I can finally get a good night's sleep.
Stop the snoring and start getting a good night's sleep.